My dear students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn mathematics through learning concepts thoroughly. Here, we are going to see about the Mesopotamian number system. The previous video we have seen about the Egyptian number system, and before that we have seen using tally marks, using sticks counting methods and all long ago what they did and all we saw. Now what we'll see this one in deeper. And one more thing here, it is mentioned that base 60. What is that base 60? Before 0 they say. What is that before 0? All those things we'll see in this number system thoroughly. Shall we go inside the video? The students, here you see the heading. What is that? How it looks like? Can you read this one? Or you see, if you code only you can do, I feel. Mesopotamian. Mesopotamian number system. Like that only it is given. But when I was searching for font, it came differently. Anyhow, we are using different symbols in mathematics, So let it be different. Like that, I took that one. Okay, now let us go deeper into this unknown symbolic Mesopotamian number system. What the symbols they used and what system they used to develop the numbers. Okay, now in that, the Mesopotamian number system, they used 1 for 1 and the symbol, less than symbol for 10. Remember, this is like this symbols only in Mesopotamian alphabets they wrote, That is one font like that. This is also one font for them, one symbol for them, 10. But remember, they used only 60 square and 60 cube. Like that only they used. What is that 60 square? 60 square is 3600. 60 cube equal to 216000. Like this only they used. With the help of these symbols, they developed the Mesopotamian number system. Now, we will go into the topic, how to write that numbers. Okay. Now here, first, let me see. This I am going to write on 12. 12 if I want to write, just 12 if I take it, you can write it as 1, 1. Less than symbol and 1, 1. 25. 25, how to write 25? 1, 2 for 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 25. Remember, they mostly used to write smaller numbers only. Okay, now this like this, they will go right up to 59. 59 up to that they will write, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9, 1, 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 59. After 59, if they want to write 60, just they wrote it as 60. That's all. This is 60 now. Let the symbol be like this, or in textbook it is given in scripts like this, it is given, or it is given simply like this. Whatever the symbol you are using, there is no problem. That are all symbols, representations, because those people have only those symbols only. Now we are having lot of widespread numbers. But they don't have that one. That means they can understand very easily. If this symbol exists, that means 60, or this is 1, or this is also 60 or 1. What is it? 60 or 1? That's what. 60 for denoting 60. They wrote this symbol 1 itself and they left it. They have to understand that there is a space. Now I'll represent this one as a space. Now 1 and 1 space is there. That means it is 60. Okay. Now, let me take this number 63. How they would represent 63? Just simply like this only. 1 and 3. Left one gap. This one I can write in different form also. 1, some small space. I can write the space symbol now. Okay, so 1 and 5. 3. 3 I should write instead of 4 that I wrote it. Instead of 3 I wrote it 4. So 63, this is the symbol what they use. That means the number what they used for 1 only they took for 60. Why? It repeats up to 59 and from 60 onwards again this symbol. That means this is called base 60. Our system is what base 10. Why it is base 10? Up to 10 numbers it will go and repeat. Here it will go up to 60 and repeat 61 will be written as 1 1, but there will be a space. So to write 61 they will write 1 and 1 but a space. But this only represents 6001 also. There is a problem with this only 1 and gap. So this only denotes 6001. It is 61, this is 6001. How they identified this as 61 and this as 6001? Based on that place. Suppose the price of the 1 kg rice equal to, it will be 61 only. It cannot be 6001. Based on that type of ideas only they eliminated, because they don't have zero. Very important concept, they don't have zero that time. They didn't invented zero. That's what they were writing something, they left it. But after some gap they found a placeholder like this. What is that placeholder? Something it is mentioned in the textbook that they mentioned between these two. 61 means okay, and because 61 also you have to keep one placeholder. Why? Because it is 60 and 1. If not, we'll read it as 2. So for that, for fill the gap, they kept the placeholder. Now I am using this asterisk symbol. Now, if they want write 132, this is your book sum. 132, how they would have written 2 into 60 plus 2 plus 12, not 2 into 60, 120 plus 12. How they would have written 2 into 60 means 2 symbols of 1 only. This is 2 symbols. 2 into 60 and little gap and 12. For 12, this symbol 10, 1, 1. This is 260. So 2 into 60 gap and 12. That's all, 2 into 60. So this denotes 60, not 1. See, I here use different symbol and here I use different symbol. But no problem, both can be same. 1, that's all. So for 132, we can write as 1, 1, gap, and 12. That's all. So some gap is there. You have to understand some gap they left. If they leave some gap, that means the numbers is next number. That means it goes to 60. These numbers denote 60. Up to 60 also will go up to what? No, 9 times will write. Like this only will be going on writing. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will write and leave some gap and then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this one is what? 360. It won't be 360. 360 means next symbol. If you think no, you can create one number system by keeping some symbols. You try, some 2 or 3 friends sit together and try for a number system. This is over now. Okay, 132 over. Suppose if they want write 200, what they would have done for 200? 200, how they would have used? In this 360s are there. 1, 2, 3. I will use this symbol itself. And some gap for denoting that this is 60, 180. And then 2 symbols less than. That's all. So this is now 200. So 3 symbols of 60 and 2 symbols of 10. Is it okay? 3 symbols of 60 means 180. Correct only. And 2 symbols of 10. That is 200. Then suppose some bigger number 3605 as given in the textbook, if it comes, means what they will do, 3600 is 10 times of this number. Okay, for denoting 3600 they can write this itself. Here I did one mistake, I feel. They can write instead of this one 3360 itself, 1 and gap and space and this one. Okay, this itself now becomes 360. Now for 3600 also 1, because this 1 also denotes 3600 only. 1 itself denotes 3600 and a long gap and 5. This is 3605. Okay, no cross mark like tally marks used here. Up to 9 they used the straight numbers only. Okay, bars only they used it. So how to denote, differentiate 603 and 3605? It is based on gap only. They left small gap and more gap. Based on that only they did it. That's what. They were waiting for one more number system with zero. Suppose there are some zeros, then this number system would have gone correct. But remember, they didn't identify or they didn't invent zero during those period. What is that period? See this title, Mesopotamian number system. They didn't invent the zero. In afterwards only it is discovered. Before that, one more number system we are going to see, Mayan number system. Okay, that let us see in the next video. I hope you would have understood this video completely, just using one symbol as 1 and less than symbol like that as 10, and place old as empty space for 63,600 and 2,100 sorry, what is that number, 216,000, 2,16,000, I hope so. Yes, like that numbers they used, 60, 60 square, 60 cube, like that they went on. Okay, now if you are having any doubts in this one, my dear children, please comment in the comment section. I'll answer for that one. Okay, till meeting in the next video, it's bye from your Pragasam sir.